What's up, WatchWire Nation? Get ready for a rapid-fire news blast. First up, Apple is making huge waves in American manufacturing, deepening its ties with a Kentucky plant that's set to become the exclusive producer of cover glass for every iPhone and Apple Watch sold worldwide. We've got the inside scoop on this game-changing deal. Next, get ready to meet the new lineup of Apple Watches. We're getting hands-on with the Apple Watch Series 11, the powerful Apple Watch Ultra 3, and the surprise star of the show, the significantly upgraded Apple Watch SE 3. This little watch just got a massive generational leap. And the health tech news keeps coming. The FDA has given the green light to a revolutionary hypertension alert feature coming to your Apple Watch. We're breaking down how this life-saving technology works and when you can expect it on your wrist. Finally, we're confirming that Apple Watch Series 9 through 11 and Ultra models will indeed be alerting users to high blood pressure thanks to that crucial FDA approval. It's a massive win for proactive health. Don't miss any of these incredible updates. Hit that like button, subscribe to WatchWire News, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Apple's Kentucky Connection, a manufacturing power play. Apple is doubling down on American manufacturing, and its latest move cements a Kentucky plant as the sole supplier for the cover glass on every single iPhone and Apple Watch. This isn't just about glass, it's a strategic deep dive into the heart of U.S. production. Specialty glass maker Corning Inc. is set to dramatically expand its Harrodsburg, Kentucky facility, tripling its production capacity and boosting its workforce by 50%. This move deepens a partnership that began with the very first iPhone back in 2007. Apple is backing this expansion with a staggering $2.5 billion commitment, a significant investment aimed at ensuring all cover glass for iPhones and Apple Watches is produced exclusively in Harrodsburg by the end of 2026. Corning COO Hal Nelson stated, "Together, we are building a next-generation U.S. manufacturing platform to deliver high-performance materials for Apple's iconic products. This collaboration is poised to create the most advanced smartphone glass production line ever developed." The impact on the local community is already being felt. Employees like Tommy Shirley, whose family has ties to the plant stretching back decades, express immense pride and relief, calling the Apple investment a huge shot in the arm that brings much-needed stability and opportunity. But what does this mean for the future of tech manufacturing in America? Stick around as we uncover the next big thing in wearable tech, featuring the latest from Apple Watch. Apple Watch Unleashed, SE 3 shines, Ultra gets smarter. Get ready for a serious upgrade to your wristwear. Apple has just dropped its latest smartwatch lineup, and the star of the show is the revitalized Apple Watch SE 3, bringing entry-level models up to speed with a massive leap forward. The new Apple Watch SE 3 is a game-changer for budget-conscious tech enthusiasts. It now boasts Apple's S10 system-in-package and a wrist temperature sensor, inheriting key features from higher-end models. This includes intuitive gestures like double tap and wrist flick, full Vitals app support, on-device Siri, and the highly requested always-on display. Apple has also integrated the speaker from the Series 10 and significantly boosted charging speeds, making it power up twice as fast. With an expanded battery life now rated for 24 hours and 5G support, carrier compatibility pending, the SE 3 starts at an attractive $329. The Apple Watch Series 11 also sees significant updates, including new IONX glass for enhanced durability and a crucial hypertension notification feature awaiting Health Canada approval, mirroring the promising sleep apnea detection. It comes in a new slate color and starts at $549. For the adventurers, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 retains its rugged appeal, but now features a dazzling 3,000 nit display and, most impressively, emergency SOS via satellite. This crucial safety feature allows users to contact emergency services from virtually anywhere, a lifesaver for those venturing off the grid. Battery life has also been boosted to 42 hours, extending to 72 in low-power mode, ensuring it can keep up with even the most demanding expeditions. The Ultra 3 starts at $1,099. These smartwatches are packing some serious health tech, but one feature is making waves with regulators. We're talking about FDA approval for a groundbreaking health alert coming to your Apple Watch. FDA greenlights Apple Watch hypertension alerts. Your Apple Watch is about to get a whole lot smarter about your heart health. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has officially given the green light to a revolutionary hypertension notification feature for Apple Watch, marking a significant milestone in accessible health monitoring. This new feature, set to roll out with watchOS 26 starting September 15th, utilizes the optical heart sensor to passively analyze how your blood vessels respond to your heartbeats. Over a 30-day period, the sophisticated algorithm, developed with advanced machine learning and validated in extensive clinical studies, will identify consistent signs of hypertension. While it won't catch every case, Apple estimates this feature could alert over 1 million individuals with undiagnosed hypertension within its first year of availability. It will be accessible in over 150 countries and regions, including the US and EU, on Apple Watch Series 9 and later, and Apple Watch Ultra 2 and later. The medical community and users alike are buzzing about the potential impact. This proactive health tool, leveraging the massive reach of the Apple Watch, is seen as a powerful step in early detection and management of a critical health condition. Analysts are noting the strong performance of Apple's stock, AAPL, up 1.81% at $234.19 following the news, indicating strong investor confidence in Apple's health tech innovations. This FDA approval is a huge win for health tech, but it's not the only big news coming out of Apple's watch division. We're diving into the full details of which Apple Watch models are getting this high blood pressure alert. Apple Watch gets FDA nod for high blood pressure alerts. Big news for your health and your wrist. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has officially approved a groundbreaking feature for Apple smartwatches designed to detect signs of hypertension, bringing advanced health monitoring directly to consumers. This crucial hypertension alert feature, unveiled by Apple and now confirmed by the FDA, will be available on Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10, Series 11, and the Premium Ultra 2 and Ultra 3 models. Rolling out before the end of September across approximately 150 countries, including the US and EU, the system uses the optical heart sensor to analyze blood vessel responses to heartbeats. The algorithm works discreetly in the background, analyzing data over a 30-day period, and will notify users if it detects consistent indications of high blood pressure. Apple estimates this feature could provide vital alerts to about 1 million users, significantly aiding in early detection. This development has generated considerable excitement, with Bloomberg initially reporting the news. The integration of such a critical health monitoring tool into a widely adopted device like the Apple Watch is seen as a major advancement in preventative healthcare. Alongside this, Apple also announced its latest smartwatch models, including the Ultra 3 with its extended battery life and satellite communication capabilities, and the SE3, all enhancing Apple's dominance in the wearable tech market. These incredible health and tech updates from Apple are just the beginning of what's happening in the world of innovation. Get ready for our lightning round recap and all the ways you can stay connected with WatchWire news. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Apple is supercharging American manufacturing with its Kentucky plant. The new Apple Watch SE3 just got a massive upgrade, and both the Series 11 and Ultra 3 are bringing life-saving hypertension alerts thanks to FDA approval. Loved this update? Smash that like button, subscribe to WatchWire News for more breaking news, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're always in the know. Still want more? Follow us on all our social media platforms for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes looks. Let us know in the comments which Apple Watch update you're most excited about.